Hi guys, Silver Game of Thrones is here. So this is the second part of South Korea coins. So I got finally this half-ounce South Korea Scrofa, and the second one is Chiwoo and Scrofa. And just additional, another time, I'm thinking, like, how smart am I? You know why? Because my journey, when I try to get the best of the best, I always do some research. And when I did research, I just look, I was thinking, okay, how many, coins in one tube? And it appears they have 25 coins in one tube. 25 coins, yeah. So when I was, usually you buy 20, right, or 10 or 5, and one of the things I was thinking about tubes, and look on these tubes, guys. You see, they are special tubes to hold only 25 coins. I don't know what is this magic about 25, and then they have this Comsco, special feature. Comscom minting security feature, ID card opening corporation, blah blah, everything secure, everything packaged very well. Look here, I don't think I will find any scratches on this coin. This is the problem, guys, you see. So the story is like this. So they have one tube, and it's very special tube for half ounce, okay? You don't have many half ounce coins, tubes. So some dude buy, let's say 15, okay? And another, and they send him in this original tube because he bought 20, 15 or maybe 20, right? And how much left? Let's say 5. And what they do with 5 or 10, they put it in 1 ounce bigger tube, and they are bouncing in this tube. This is why, I know one guy complained, and he said his coins are fully scratched. They will be scratched. And then someone did the bad packaging, he doesn't put any pad on the top, and, he doesn't, get a bad packaging, and it open on the way, and it throw out. But these coins, this, packages is outstanding. I don't see any issue with this coin when I will open them, because you see, even like this, yeah, there is some wobbling a little bit, but even this they can prevent if they can put some padding on the top. There is some, but it's very minor. It's very minor. Yeah, there is some, but very minor. So let's go ahead and and open this and just see what is inside, right? Now I am in trouble. Now I am in trouble. It's not easy to open. They locked very well. I will be having hard time to open it. Okay, maybe not. Maybe you need a little pushing, right? Okay. Yep. So let me take a couple of them and show you how beautiful these coins are. They are so teeny, so small, and I just like them. I just like them. I don't see a single scratch on these coins, guys, because they have this, when they sit one another, they sit very well. So there is no issue with them. I don't see any issue with them. No scratches, whatever. Okay. Yeah, so very interesting cereal. I have some fraction coins, not many, maybe 5-10 of them. Let me switch the light off, maybe it will be better. So I have some premium coins, 5-10 of them, but they are so cute. Yeah, I'm not going to open more of them. I already see, and there is no problem with this coin. And even for this price, which you bought them $11, today they are going like $13, $14. Okay, so They're already $2 more for one coin, and on eBay they go even 26. Okay guys, so again, be smart when you do some shopping. Okay, be smart, and if you have some special cases like this, you know, you just try to pick up the whole tube, right? Don't pick up 5, 10 of them, you know, this is what happened. But if you pick up the whole tube, then you are safe, you know, no problem whatever. Okay guys, thank you, keep stacking, and not many things to buy last days, you know. So I thank you again, kudos to 5150 for his channel. He inspired me to buy these coins. Bye bye.